Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on More Connections right away. Then scroll down to Access Printing. Click on Default Print Service and tap on this switcher next to Default Print Service if it's not already on. Now your device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use different service, click on the same now green switcher to disable this service. Go back. Tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!